Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and some of you guys might have been coming from the last video where I said if my video reaches 50 likes, I will make a tutorial on how to make this RNG. So if you didn't see the video, I'd recommend go watching it. So let's just get started really quickly. I'm gonna make it a little bit of a smaller version of what I did before, so there's only gonna be like 3 things you can get in this one, but it's really simple to add more. You want to place a randomizer. Once you have your randomizer, I'm actually going to make a face like this, yeah. You're also going to want a button, or like anything that can, like any outputs, okay? So, once you got your output, we'll connect that later, okay? So, what we want to do is, so the left output on every randomizer you place is going to go to a light, okay? So what you're going to want to do is place a wire and connect it to your first light. If we get a second randomizer, which will be the second light, and then a third randomizer, which will be the third light, we're going to want to connect the right randomizer over to here. So you want to connect the right output on here to the input on here. So you just gotta connect like this. Alright. And then we want to get the left one again. We want to connect that to the second light, okay?
So, we're just going to connect this as I will.
I know the wiring's a little bit messy, but just so you remember, the left output always goes to the light, and the right output always goes to the randomizer. So on this one, the right output will enter into the input of the randomizer, like I have right here. And again, the left one will connect to a light. So I just gotta kind of connect it like this, and then it will be complete, basically. Alright guys, so once you connect your last left input to the light, you're gonna want to do this. So basically once you have once you have all the lights and all the randomizers you need connected, you might realize there's a leftover output. You're actually gonna want to connect that to the second one, because you basically lost this one and you were still on this one, basically. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to kind of just connect it like I am right now. So basically the best way to do this is kind of dodge all your other wires like I am right here. Alright, so now that I have this, so you see your left output right here, you want to connect that to the wire coming out here. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to replace it with one of these, so it will also connect to here. So to remember this, every time you get to the last randomizer, the right output will connect to the left output of the second randomizer, or like the one before that. So once you have this, you want to paint your randomizers whatever color you want. Also, don't forget to connect the button, because I didn't really say that at the beginning. So you just want to connect your button to the input of the randomizer, the first one. And if this is confusing to you, just say in the comments and I will kind of try to explain it. So now that you have connected the button to the input of the first randomizer, alright, so when you press it, it will act like an RNG and it will work. And yeah, I'll see you next time.